this Thanksgiving, I have something so special for you to put on that dinner table. We are gonna be making the most amazing pumpkin spice latte cheesecake. You heard me correct. This is next level. This is a game changer, and I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's not waste any time and get right on into the recipe. Let's go. You want to begin by getting that mixer out. On the screen, I have everything listed to get this awesome recipe together, and of course, it will be listed in the description box as always. You want to begin with your cream cheese. Of course, you want it to be room temperature. That is very important. You want some room temperature cream cheese in order for it to blend properly. And then we're just gonna grab all these ingredients and get them in a bowl. We're gonna save the eggs for last, okay? You wanna get everything else in there. Get your espresso, get your pumpkin puree, your vanilla extract, all of that in the bowl, your sugar, your flour. Like I said, everything's listed. Go ahead and mix it up. I'm just gonna pause real quick and scrape up the sides. I want everything to mix up properly. So I'm just scraping the sides, bringing it back in, mixing it some more. And once you have it mixed up and you have a nice smooth consistency, you can give it a taste and see if it needs a little bit of this or a little bit of that, as far as if you want to make some adjustments. I felt like it needed a tad bit more espresso, baby. I am a coffee lover, and I gotta have that nice, beautiful coffee flavor, you know, smacking. It's not too much. I feel like it's the perfect amount the way I did it. Now I am slowly adding in my eggs. Once I feel like I have the flavor to exactly how I want it, that's when I add my egg, because I'm not tasting no raw egg. Okay, baby? So go ahead and mix that in just like so. Again, I did pause, scrape up the sides a little bit, and mix this some more. And you should be left with a consistency, something like this. We're gonna be using some pre-made graham crust. You could make it from scratch if you choose to do so, but we're saving some time here and using the pre-made ones. Go ahead and pour it in your pan just like so. And we have our oven preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And this batter right here, honestly, you can make a little bit more than this just 10-inch cheesecake. You should probably grab some of the minis as well, or maybe like an 8-inch, so you don't have any waste. And right here, I'm just putting our pan into what I call a water bath. I don't know what you want to call it. This allows it to cook a lot more evenly than just putting it in the oven just like that. You have a pan underneath filled with water, allows it to cook evenly. Trust me and believe me. And like I said, we're gonna bake it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. And once it is done, you should be looking like this. We are not done yet. You want this to cool to room temperature. And once it is cool, you want to cover it up, put it in your fridge, preferably overnight or 4 to 8 hours. And once that time is up, this is how you should be looking. Yo, I made a lot of cheesecakes over the years, but this has to be my absolutely favorite cheesecake I have ever tasted. I'm not joking. I am not kidding. The pumpkin, the espresso, the pumpkin spice, everything comes together. Of course, you have that cheesecake as the base, and OMG, guys, I don't know how else to emphasize how important it is for you to try this right here. This is so freaking good. Obviously, I topped it off with a little bit of whipped cream and dusted it with a little bit of pumpkin spice, and you are ready to bust down, baby. So it is about that time. I am gonna hit you with this beautiful, beautiful B-roll. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am so excited to dig into this right here. This is oh so special, like I said, and definitely has to be on your table. This Thanksgiving. Come on now, cheers. Oh my goodness. Holy freaking crap. That is so good. That is so freaking good. Oh my. Oh my. Wash it down with a little coffee. Oh yeah. Hey, this right here, man. I don't have words for it. It's special. It's bomb.com. It's one of those things you're gonna have on repeat every single holiday season. Get in your kitchen. Don't waste any time. Whip this up. You gotta have this on your table this Thanksgiving. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. This is special right here. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you're new to the channel, of course, subscribe. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave me a like so YouTube knows you're loving the content, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces. I'm out.